Bayern Munich are known for doing the best business in the transfer market, and yes, they haven't surprised us even this year. From signing Robert Lewandowski for free, signing Leon Goretzka from Schalke for free, and signing Gnabry from Hoffenheim for 8 million euros at that time is like a steal. And look what those guys turned out to be. Gnabry is a world-class player right now. His value is more than 60 million euros. Goretzka, he is one of the best midfielders in the world right now. All praises to the Bayern Munich board, and they really know how to do the business, and that's why the title of this video went Bayern means business. So if you guys are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to this channel because I regularly bring out similar videos like this, the reviews, the tactics, the transfer talks, team analysis and everything. And if you guys follow us on Instagram, you guys will know that our Instagram handle is very well handled. So you guys can check that out as well. The links to all of the handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, are in the description below. And in this video, we will take a look at the Bayern Munich side, because they are the UEFA League champions, they are the Bundesliga champions, and they have gone on to win 5 trophies up till now. Because you know what? There is just a single team that has won 6 trophies. It's called a sextuple, and Bayern Munich are due on course to match their feat. Watch out for them, guys, because there's just a single tournament that is left, and that is the Club World Cup. And I don't know when it will happen, maybe in December, because that's when it happens. But December is the month in which I guess so that Bayern will complete their sextuple. So these are good days for Bayern Munich fans, and let's get started in this video. I thought about talking about their squad because they have made some fantastic deals even this summer. Because you know what, Bayern Munich tried to sign Leroy Sané last year. They also tried to sign Marc Roca last year when Espanyol were asking huge amount for their 22-year-old midfielder. And for Leroy Sané, even Manchester City were asking 120 million euros. And now Bayern Munich have signed Leroy Sané for 45 million euros and Marc Roca for just 9 million euros. That's some business. I mean, it all requires patience, it requires some brilliant minds. You cannot praise them anymore because let's start with the signings. First of all, Sané has arrived from Manchester City. Bouna Sarr, the 28-year-old Marseille right back, has been signed for 10 million euros because Sergino Dest was supposed to sign for Bayern Munich, but Barcelona meanwhile hijacked this deal, and Dest ultimately ended up at the Camp Nou. But Bouna Sarr, a decent right back, a decent cover for Benjamin Pavard at the right back position. And they've also signed Alexander Nubel from Schalke on a free transfer. And Choupo-Moting, the 31-year-old PSG striker, has also signed for free. That means a cover for Lewandowski. And also Douglas Costa has returned to Bavaria side. I mean, that's some business. Because you know what, Bayern have a great squad. If you look at that, Manuel Neuer, David Alaba, Jerome Boateng, Alphonso Davies at left back, Lucas Hernandez as his cover, Benjamin Pavard is there, Kimmich there, Javi Martinez, Goretzka, Tolisso, and they lost Thiago to Liverpool. But they have definitely filled that position with a great player in Marc Roca. I mean, 9 million euros is a steal. He's valued at 16 million euros and they got him for around 9. Maybe they would give them 5-6 million euros and some bonus. But Marc Roca, let me tell you, this guy has to be watched out for. He's a great central defensive midfielder. I personally wanted him to join Manchester City because Pep at that time needed a defensive midfielder. He went on to sign Rodri, but Marc Roca is a great guy. You guys might not know much about him because he came from lowly Espanyol, but he has been crucial cog in their midfield, playing numerous games. So Marc Roca can be a good player to have on the bench. Now their midfield is packed. They have good cover at every position because Joshua Kimmich definitely will play with Goretzka in the middle. As a cam position will be Muller, and Javi Martinez is there, Corentin Tolisso is there. Thiago leaving left spot in the middle, which is definitely filled by Marc Roca. He'll be a great success under Hansi Flick's side, and also they have signed Leroy Sané, Kingsley Coman is there, Serge Gnabry is there. They have 3 world-class wingers, and also Douglas Costa has joined them. So they have got all of the firepower they need at the moment, and Robert Lewandowski is there. He scored in the previous game, he scored 4 goals. 4 for Robert Lewandowski. He has started this year the same way he left the previous year. Joshua Zirkzee is there. He's 19-year-old striker for Lewandowski's cover, but Eric Maxim Choupo-Moting is there. The 31-year-old striker has arrived from PSG. So if you look at the squad of FC Bayern Munich, they have got a great depth now, because if you line them up, they will probably form a team A and a team B. They are so good. So Manuel Neuer in the goalkeeping position, definitely. They have got Benjamin Pavard as their main right back. They have got now a good cover for Benjamin Pavard. If he gets injured, they don't need to play Joshua Kimmich as the right back anymore, because that will leave a hole in the middle. That position is so well played by Kimmich, because none of the player can do what he does for this team. So that's why I think so that Hansi Flick decided, no, I have to use Kimmich as the CDM or that midfield position. So they went on to sign this Bouna Sarr from Marseille. Kimmich can be lined up with Goretzka, Muller is there. I think so the only position which Hansi Flick should now consider fulfilling is that cam position. I mean the cover for Muller, because I don't see a direct replacement for Muller in this team. Maybe Gnabry can play that central role, but I haven't seen him play that cam position, because what Muller does for this team, it's huge. And that is the only position which has been lacking. I mean, it doesn't have a definite cover. Hansi Flick most probably will be giving some thoughts to this, but overall, if you look at the squad, it has got good depth. It has got a great cover for Lewandowski now. I mean, there's no weakness. There is no frigging weakness. I don't think so I can say any more about this Bayern Munich side, and it's all to see if they will win the Club World Cup. Can we really doubt that they won't? Don't hate me for saying that, but they had a hiccup when Hoffenheim defeated them 4-1. But that's just a hiccup. It always happens when you hit the new season. There is one game to bring you down back to earth, keep your feet planted so that you can restart again. That's what happened with Liverpool, that's what happened with Manchester, and that has what happened with this Bayern Munich side. So guys, I think so that this Bayern Munich side will be up and running as soon as the international breaks are over. And I think so that you guys enjoyed this video. There was nothing so special about this video, but I wanted to get this fact out that there is something for the Bayern Munich fans to be excited for this season yet again. They have got a great group in the UEFA Champions League. I put out a video discussing about all the UEFA Champions League groups. Do check that out. I'll link it in the cards over here. So until then, if you do have anything to add to this video, let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like, and do remember to check out our channel playlist, which has been updated again, and there are plenty of new videos for you to check out. So do have a look and leave a like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, as always, peace out.